Buck 5, that band guy. Spartan Legion, you all know they are always solid. Norfolk State. They always a solid program. They had a fan day 2025 to display what they've got, the numbers, and everything they're going to be for the 2025 season. Always exciting to see them reveal what they're going to be and give that first glance at what we can expect. But as you know, as the season goes on, it gets better and better because they get more and more practice. They add more to their repertoire. The songs that they were playing initially, they get better and better because they play them over and over and add more to it. Instinctively and naturally, it's going to be better as they gel, learn each other as a section, as a band, as a sound. I'm excited to hear all these opening bands and what we can expect 2025 season. Without further ado, let's get to Norfolk State and see how they do. Come on, Spartan Legion. The pride of Virginia. That's like they ain't coming to play. They got a whole lot of girls Campbell players. That's dope. Go women! I don't see no women bass drummers. I got all them sousaphone players to go in too. It's a lot of them. And Virginia got some talent too now. Don't sleep on them. They got a lot of U-Hop people and all that. Virginia got some music in them. It ain't just Louisiana. Detroit too. Well, when they were super on top, Detroit bring out great musicians also. And North Carolina got some great players too. Well, the state of Michigan, I should say. Man, they marching with vigor in that thing too. Go! I love that arm. Hey, mechanical. Back. Hey, that thing gotta be crisp. Come on. And that's right, they got those uprights. Those gotta be trumpets that the actual school buys. And they actually loan them out. Because people don't normally buy upright trumpets just for their own personal use. They got that mug on. Who y'all mugging? Y'all ain't playing against nobody. Look at him. He was laughing like, man, I ain't getting this right. They got that mug on. Whoa. Ooh, y'all look like y'all been through some damage. I heard this look like a pouch. Come on now. Yeah. Oh, no. A little lighter than us. He ain't had it. Come on. Oh, but he got it. Oh, he got that flaming red hair. What in the world? Oh, I thought he had that on the dude in front of him. I was like, what, he got him in the news? Oh, that's the flags. Them things long, too. What they call those fellas there with those flags? I know it ain't the flag girls. They flag guys. All right. Oh, go uniforms. Oh, y'all can make a move in that. Come on, get it. They're good smiles. Come on. Got to see them teeth. Oh, they got flag guys and flag girls, huh? I wonder what their scholarships look like. Well, probably $300, $500 maybe. Because they're auxiliary, you know. Just utility for the band to lose to use to make them look better and add some pizzazz to the field show. But I don't know if they add to the utility of the actual sound because they don't play. Come on now. Come on, drum major. Hey, hey. There we go. It was a little fuzzy, but it got it right now. Hey, 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 hey. I like that they just have two. That's great. They stepping too. They working out. I like it. A little blurry. Come on, straighten up. Okay, there we go. Get the focus right, please. Marching hard. Good angle. Nice. Chris band. Along with the march. It's usually how you open it up. Nice beat. Good thing up there, good slide. Good glitch and pimento. All of them mean the same thing. Sliding up to one note to another. Mellow. Nice. Good triumphant sound. Good control. Well, nice. Sounded beautiful. Another mellow section. mix. Oh, they made it a little more dance worthy, huh? I can see the dancing girls, they've actually put a real routine to it. They got some color in their trumpets. They up there. Nice. Got some chops.
Allegiant Classic. Quincy Jones. Turn on the action.
Okay.
I hear you, Mellow.
Hey, did that. Come on. Come on. I love it. Them hands. Precision. Some of those passages in the U-fold could be a little cleaner. The separation is not as crisp. Good sound. But like I said, the U-folds could be a little more crisp. They were kind of slurring things when it should have been staccatoed and broken. Based on what everybody else is doing. Okay, trumpets. Look at me. Nice. You only need a few high note folk. You don't need everybody doing it. I like it. Good and crisp, short, get to the point. Yes. beautiful sound. You're making that trumpet sing. That boy sound good. Hey! Come on, open that throat. And that fanfare was actually going around YouTube a lot, you know, for a number of years now, maybe 10 or more. And it was a guy that was doing it. They were outside playing against Howard when they were doing this particular fanfare itself. And they had that same another dude that was playing that, but he played the whole thing all the way through by himself. They broke it up into two parts, which I think was done spectacularly. They did it with no problem in this one too, and they both sounded great. And the other dude had that same type of nice, rich tone too. So y'all can check that out and see that when they played against Howard. And I may insert it in the video. Oh yeah. Oh, that Avant. And I think they Kiki Wyatt too. Avant and Kiki Wyatt, yeah. Nice rich song. Of everything. Hey. It's a beautiful tune to play. Digging the crates. Good harmony. Warm background. My first love. Long as I live. It sounds just like the song. Oh, go on, Flag. They got the male squad and the women's play squad. That's interesting. Nice. Long as I live. I love that. They sounded great. Sound just like the song. Come on, Susan Phones, what y'all got? It's a good showcase. Pedal tones, go ahead.
Y'all give it up for the tuba section.
Mike Jackson. Take it to the bank. I wanna love you. Them dancers really be dancing these days, man. These dance squads improved. They got more to showcase too, more to spotlight. Somebody came in a little early, but that's okay. They didn't go full out. Oh, nice. That was a nice little tune. I love the color all over the place in that tune. They're pretty young thing. PYT.
At this time, the $1 Million Funk Squad.
Need that. I'm gonna fast forward towards it. I ain't no big drum person. But if y'all wanted to watch the drums, just go ahead and. You gotta be in shape to do all this movement. That band grooving, man. I like it, like the little movements. Come on.
That's what I'm talking about.
Norfolk going in, man. They sound great. And so full. And robust. They just sound really, really good. For real.
Let me hear y'all out there. Come on. But who is saying?
This used to be when it came out, every band had this on their list. And they probably still got it in their repertoire somewhere. Dang, the mellows in there. Gone. Steven, the other YouTuber, he did a reaction on this too. So make sure y'all go to his channel and see what he says too. It may have been something that I missed. So go to Steven and tell him I sent you and go watch his reaction also. I'll put his information on the screen so you'll know his channel. Hey, neck, talking outside of your neck, baby. Oh, that's a unique little move. I like that. Take some coordination and timing. To do the arm and up, do the arm and up, do the arm and up, do the arm and streak. Hey, hey, I like it. You can't help but to move when that come on. Forever a staple. DWI's play it too. Specifically LSU. Hey. Oh! Come on! Crank it up! Come on, Tropics. Them boys got some chops. Oh, Mellows in there too. Come on, give it to us, Mellows. Hey, ball time. Man's got to be in tune with that music too. KK side. Yup. And top of the Sigma. Get it. Oh, do. He doing a split right there? Okay. That was the ending pole. Nice.
You better hold it.
Hold it.
Don't move. Yeah.
They're gonna start back. 1, 2. Oh, they switch it up. Oh, nice. That's a nice transition. Yeah. Love that pattern. Come on, Thomas. I love it. Love the semitones when they go up. Oh, go ahead, buddy. Oh, that portmanteau, man. The glissandos up to them high notes. That sounded great. On target too. Something act like they was this hard. Nice. Dope little tune. A lot going on in that tune. Super full. But that's what makes it musicianship. Such beautiful arrangement. Nice note stack. Just the harmonies are great. The balance of sound is great too. Trumpets, get you a little small towel to keep on your waist. Because you're going to need that all the time, man. Because the mouthpiece gets wet often. So get you a little towel to hang on the side so you can wipe it off and you got to use your shirts and all that stuff. Maybe get you a little Spartan towel or something. Beautiful, beautiful sound, man. From top to bottom. Concert formation. A slow tune.
1, 2, 1, 2, ready, play!
Ain't that slow? It's slow, but it's got a lot of movement in between the measures. Okay. There we go. This ain't the remix. This is the original. They always end everything this way. I like that flop, pop, and click motion. Clap, 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 clap. Look at that alumni. Get it. She was right. He just got off on the left side to go. They got back on now.
Yes, sir. Give it up for the Legion. We like
The Spartan Legion, they ain't teasing, are they? In true Spartan Legion fashion, I enjoyed that performance thoroughly. I love the mix of tunes that they had, their repertoire. I love that Avant and Kiki Wyatt they put in there. I love that Nick. I love all the variation of stuff that they got. They weren't just showing you one side. They were showing you that they got plenty of stuff in the arsenal. They gave it to us. Another band where I love that holistic sound that they bring. They had a lot of color, they had a lot of depth, they got a lot of balance. Their timbre of their notes and the way they sound as a band sounds great. They are top tier. Absolutely. I really enjoy and love Spartan Legion marching band also there in Norfolk, Virginia. They did their thing. I have no complaints about any of it. Looking forward to seeing their 2025 season. This is priming up to be a really great 2025. So I need everybody tuned in to 2025 because I'm definitely going to be. As soon as they put stuff out, I'm going to definitely be on it and trying to give my 2 cents. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because as this season goes on, I'm telling you, I got something coming. I got something coming that I've been working on underneath the hood, and I think you all are going to love it. Thank you all for stopping by. Until the next time I say hi, I've been Buck 5, that band guy.